What if I told you your name is a secret code? A code that reveals the gifts you were born with, the talents no one can steal, and the way your soul is meant to shine. Most people stop at the life path number, the road of their journey. But hidden inside your name is something even more powerful. The destiny number. And before we dive in, do you already know yours? Drop it in the comments if you do. And if not, you'll know it by the end of this video. Your destiny number, also called the expression number, is the frequency of your full birth name. Every letter hums with a vibration, and together, they create the blueprint of your natural talents. Think of it as the universe slipping a set of instructions into your name. Instructions for how your soul expresses its light. Some people are born smooth talkers who could sell a popsicle in a snowstorm. Others, they've got intuition so sharp they probably know who's texting before the phone even buzzes. These aren't quirks, they're soul gifts, and they're written in you. So what kind of treasures can your destiny number reveal? The gift of creativity, painting visions that outlive you. The gift of intuition, knowing truth before it's spoken. The gift of healing, calming storms with your presence. The gift of leadership, inspiring people to move mountains. Or the gift of exploration, craving change so much you probably can't even pick a favorite Netflix show. Every destiny number is a different instrument in the cosmic orchestra. And when you discover yours, you finally hear the song you were born to play. Imagine walking into a room and instantly knowing your superpower. That's what your destiny number reveals. So how do we find this number? With a little ancient math, the Pythagorean system. Each letter of the alphabet is assigned a number from 1 to 9. A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, up to I, which equals 9. Then the cycle repeats. J equals 1, K equals 2, L equals 3, all the way through Z. It's like cosmic Scrabble, but instead of spelling words, you're spelling destiny. Write out your full birth name exactly as it appears on your birth certificate. Convert each letter to a number, then add up each name, first, middle, last. Finally, add those totals together. Reduce down to a single digit unless you land on 11, 22, or 33. Those are master numbers and they stay. Simple, but powerful. A little math that unlocks a cosmic code. Let's try it with someone unforgettable, Michael Joseph Jackson. When we add the numbers in his full name, we arrive at 8. 8 is the powerhouse, ambition, influence, and the courage to lead. And wasn't Michael just that? His music wasn't just entertainment. It was an empire, reshaping pop culture forever. Now here's the key. Michael's life path was a 6, the nurturer, the healer through art and love. Combine that with a Destiny 8, the powerhouse of achievement, and the picture becomes clear. A man who expressed love and harmony through his art, but carried it on a global stage with unstoppable drive and influence. That's how life path and destiny work together. One shows the road, the other shows the vehicle. Together, they reveal the whole journey. So what might your destiny number reveal? 1, the pioneer. Gift, blazing trails no one else dares to walk. 2, the peacemaker. Gift, harmony, intuition, turning conflict into unity. 3, the creator. Gift, words, laughter, art that lights up the room. And let's be honest, probably the friend who texts memes at 3 a.m. 4, the builder. Gift, discipline, stability, building dreams into reality. 5, the explorer. Gift, adventure, adaptability. Probably can't keep the same haircut for more than a year. 6, the nurturer. Gift, love, service, and the beauty of healing others. 7, the seeker. Gift, wisdom, depth, and unveiling life's mysteries. 8, the powerhouse. Gift, ambition, influence, and the courage to lead. 9, the humanitarian. Gift, compassion, vision, and inspiring global change. Every number carries treasure. And then there are the masters. 11, the visionary. Gift, awakening others with light and intuition. 22, the master builder. Gift, manifesting visions into lasting legacies. 33, the master teacher. Gift, embodying unconditional love to transform lives. Remember, 11 carries the sensitivity of 2, 22 the discipline of 4, and 33 the devotion of 6, but all at a higher octave with great responsibility. Your life path is the road you walk, but your destiny number, it's the tools you're carrying on that road. And when you know both, you stop stumbling in the dark. You see the full design, where you're going, and the unique gifts you're meant to bring along the way. So what's your destiny number? Share it in the comments. I want to see how many pioneers, nurturers, seekers, and powerhouses are with us. But destiny doesn't unfold all at once. It reveals itself in chapters. And those chapters are called the pinnacles, each one holding a prophecy of what's to come. In our next episode, we'll step into those pinnacles and map the seasons of your soul. This is the Prophecy Pulse.